Hi my friends, today we model this part. It has some tricky details and this is the drawing with all dimensions. We start by creating this contour with dimensions 56, 54, 40, 90 degrees, 8 and 32. This part is number 42 and it is member of my collection of 100 mechanical parts. New empty document. Take a look of this workbench and select CAD, not Blender, because we create mechanical parts. New sketch, this plane, then polyline, starting from somewhere here, right, up, left, sloped, vertical, horizontal, vertical again, going somewhere here, left, and vertical. There are marks of constraints all over. Good. Then we apply coincident of this line with this point. Symmetrical, this point about this axis. This point about the same axis. Equal. This is equal with this, and we place other constraints and dimensions, but only verifying consistency. Okay, 90 degrees is this with this, then 8 is this, placed at a distance of 32, then 40 is this dimension, then equal this with this, dimension of 54, 56, and fully constrained sketch. Close. Then pad or extrude, symmetric, with the thickness of 6. Next is this cylindrical feature with diameter of 12, going from this to this. New sketch on this plane. We view the section and we place here a circle of 12. Close and pad to first. Yes, this is the first face. Okay, now we see that there is a hole of 6. Nothing simpler. We select this face, not any sketch here, and hole. The hole is 6 by default. Only this must be changed through all. Okay. Now you see here fillets of radius 2. Somewhere here and on the other corners. We select this edge, press the Control key on the keyboard and select another one. Also press the Control key and select the other edges. Then fillet radius 2. Yes. Okay. Now you see here two chamfers. Here 3 is 1 dimension, and if this is 6, the other dimension is 6 minus 2 divided by 2, which means 2 millimeters. We select this edge, Control key, and select this. Then chamfer, not equal but 2 distances. This is 2 and the other is an expression 6 minus 2 parenthesis divided by 2. Okay, now we apply mirror, selecting this last feature, selecting this and using the plane XZ. You see here the result. Okay, now we select this face for a new sketch. Then we create a triangle by projecting this and this and this entities. We apply view section and we draw that triangle, starting from here, going here, here and back. This distance is 3 millimeters. 3. Okay, now we select these 3 lines to apply symmetry. Symmetry about what? Symmetry about this axis. Then we select both triangles to apply symmetry about this axis. Close. We apply pocket the other direction and up through the part. I rotate the wheel of the mouse to see what happens. You see? Down and up. we apply through all. Okay. Next are these two slots. Dimensions 23, radius 3, distance of 8, distance of 42. Face, sketch, slot, distance of 23, click to accept the vertical, then radius 3. Distances, this is 8 and the other is 42 divided by 2. Close, pocket all the way through the part. Okay, now we select this last pocket and we apply mirror about YZ plane. We go here, YZ plane, and now we have the other slot. The part has a cut in the middle, 24, 4 and 14 through all the part. We select XZ plane, then rectangle, dimensions 24, enter 4. Now we apply view section to see that rectangle. This is placed at 14 and symmetry of this point and this point about this axis. Close. Pocket, symmetric, and you see what happens. We apply through all. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.